Bonanza, and for the last 2 weeks we've been collecting over 2,000 backpacks here in Salt Lake and also in northern Utah at Joyce Hansen Health Food Bank in Ogden. And we have been extremely lucky because of the donations of the community and our partners, and we've been able to collect over 2,000 backpacks. And as you can see in the line here, the need is great. The kids are excited. We have great backpacks, great supplies, and it has been an awesome turnout.
Hi, my name's Beth Klaus, and we came down for backpacks for my grandkids. And my daughter's a single mom with 4 kids, and I don't know what I would do if I didn't have the shelter. And the people, volunteers helping us get the backpacks for school this year, because everybody's having hard times right now, so it really means a lot to us, really.
Bueno, nosotros agradecemos a este programa de Catholic Community Service por todas las ayudas que nos han dado para las mochilas de nuestros hijos, ya que con esto podemos ahorrar dinero para pagar nuestros gastos, nuestra casa, o podemos comprarles alguna ropa a ellos